In a world where desires manifest effortlessly, where the power lies within you, a truth awaits to be discovered. Today, we delve into the wisdom of Neville Goddard, uncovering the secret to living your ideal life. Welcome to a conversation that transcends the ordinary, a conversation that reveals the truth behind the world of appearances. Imagine a world where everything you desire is already yours, where you are complete and ideal in every way. It may seem like a distant dream, but Neville Goddard teaches us that this state of being is accessible to us right now. By accepting that you already possess everything you desire, you tap into the limitless power within you. The key lies in recognizing that you are the sole creator of your reality. The world of appearances is merely a stage on which you play out your desires. By acknowledging your own completeness, you transcend the limitations of this world. You become the suggestor and suggestee in the Garden of Eden, your own mind, where all power resides. But how do you navigate this world of appearances? How do you manifest your desires effortlessly? The answer lies within. Go within, ask within, and you shall receive the truth. Your inner voice, your spiritual self, speaks to you through the language of desire. It guides you towards your ideal state of consciousness. To desire a state is to have it. And when you embody your ideal state of consciousness, a feeling of total, complete, and unconditional satisfaction washes over you. This feeling becomes your compass, your guiding light, immune to the distractions of the world. It is the key to unlocking the fulfillment of your dreams. As you honor this inner feeling, observe how the world around you transforms effortlessly. Relationships, opportunities, and experiences align with your ideal state of being. You need not lift a finger, for it is all done for you. Wisdom flows from within, guiding you towards your desired reality. Step into this world of infinite possibilities. Let go of judgments and doubts. Embrace the truth that you are already complete, already ideal. Allow the world to reflect your inner state of consciousness effortlessly and automatically. Are you ready to transform your world? Subscribe to our channel and embark on this extraordinary adventure. The power is within you. It's time to unleash it. Many of us struggle with our inner feelings and our perception of ourselves and the world around us. That's why we're here to share with you the power of transformation through understanding your inner feelings. To reap the rewards from this knowledge, it is essential that we do not over-identify with the physical realm or our external environment. We must accept that all that we desire already exists within us, that we are already complete and ideal as we are now. The power to shape our reality lies solely with us. As both suggester and suggestee in relation to this world, only ourselves are responsible for our actions therein. It's amazing how powerful inner reflection can be when it comes to achieving our desires and dreams. By going within and asking for the truth, we can unlock the power of transformation and understanding that lies within us. Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher who wrote about the law of assumption and the law of attraction, taught that unhesitating obedience leads to assuming one's wish is fulfilled and creates an ideal state of consciousness that includes all that is desired. By dwelling in this premise, we allow the world to automatically transform and reflect our inner feeling without the need for outside confirmation or approval. Not casting judgment on the world leaves room for wisdom already known from within, making overthinking or excessive effort unnecessary to manifest what is desired. Visualization helps us stay focused on our wishes, while affirmations help keep us positive during difficult times when we may feel like giving up or questioning ourselves. The power of inner reflection can be incredibly empowering. It allows us to take control of our lives by being more aware of what we truly want out of life, enabling us to create a bright future filled with joy. Achieving your dreams starts with trusting in yourself. So give yourself permission today to let go and trust in your own abilities as you explore the power of inner reflection. Prayer is an essential part of spiritual practice that is often overlooked or misunderstood. From scriptures such as Joshua 13 and Matthew 6, prayer has always been a powerful way to enter into a deeper connection with the divine. As Neville Goddard explains, it requires setting an intention and embodying the feeling in your heart that it is true. This means entering a meditative state, seeing beyond the world of appearances to allow yourself to feel what it would be like if it were already true. The first step in transforming perceptions through prayer is changing our concept of self. We must recognize that we are not just physical beings, but also spiritual ones. What matters most is the state of consciousness that creates all appearances in life. Achieving an ideal state of consciousness requires releasing fixed attitudes or beliefs that result in suffering or negative views of life. Only then can true transformation occur. In using prayer for transformation, it is crucial that no work is done outside oneself. All the work required must take place within one's own mind by changing conceptions. This reflection will manifest outwardly in conditions and circumstances around us. It may seem like doing nothing externally, but remaining in the corresponding feeling inside. Through this, we become more open and receptive to new ideas, finding peace with life itself. Ultimately, it leads to greater self-awareness and growth. We often have a tendency to over-identify with physical reality, which leads us into a trap of trying desperately to convince or argue with others. This unnecessary control prevents us from developing authentic connections with those around us. In order for real connections and relationships to occur, we must let go of this need for control and accept ourselves as is while embodying unconditional completion, regardless of appearances. The same goes for changing ourselves. Instead of trying too hard or attempting too much manipulation, we should ascend in consciousness by releasing the temptation to control God's play, instead playing our own role without intending to change anyone else's actions or behaviors. The world of appearances is God's theater. All roles are played automatically, which allows us to simply observe objectively while staying true to our inner feelings, regardless of what occurs around us physically. Neville Goddard suggested that by imagining our relationships as already ideal, even if circumstances do not appear this way, we can create a whole new environment with different circles of friends. In other words, we must become aware that although we are in the world, we are not necessarily part of it. Once we internalize this concept and practice visualizations or affirmations accordingly, our relationships will also improve accordingly. By focusing on what is within ourselves instead of what is outside of us, such as feelings of joy or peace, we can create an auto-suggestion for further encouragement to remain feeling complete and accepting that we already have everything within ourselves that we need to live a fulfilled life. Having meaningful conversations with friends is a powerful way to unlock transformation and understand the power of inner feelings. One way to ensure that your conversations are full of positivity and meaning is to say goodbye in a meaningful way. Instead of simply saying "see ya later" or "talk soon," try expressing something more personal, such as "I'll talk with you soon," or even "take care" or "stay safe." These phrases show that you care for your friend and their well-being, while also showing that you're looking forward to having more quality time together soon. Keeping communication lines open with family and friends is beneficial for mental wellness. Quality conversations create strong emotional bonds between people, which can help them live longer, happier lives. Thanks for watching this video till end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.